see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
Good morning, guys. Di ba kagabi sabi ko sa inyo maliligo? Kung hindi na ako nakaligo kasi maingay yung shower and what's that one? Sibuyas. Good morning, guys. Last day na nila race. Uwi na sila mamaya. And ayun, nagpapakulang ko ng tubig kasi gagawin ko ulit si Dan ng poached eggs. And then bacon. And then yung cherry tomato na sa air fryer na. And pancakes. Kuha tayo ng pancakes. And then kami ni Rice, kakain kami ng kanin na may pritong tuna tsaka inunon. So yun aming kakainin. Boys. Si Holly tulog pa, yung dalawa nandito na.
Hey, Dad.
Yes, say good morning.
But Mom, but
Is Tita Ray's airplanes the best? Huh? Which one is the best? Tita Ray's or Tito Dan?
boy rice.
Tita Ray's.
Mom,
Both.
Mom,
Okay, okay. Oh, ano na.
Oh, Mama.
Okay, kuya. Thank you. Yan na yung breakfast ni Dan. Ginagawa ko na. And then
Smells like it's cold. Is it on the roof? Hello.
may pancake siya. Kasi maglo-long drive siya.
You did that.
Where's the barbecue sauce?
That's alright, Kuya. I'll make you another one. Oh, Mommy will make it. Ba, alam mo yan, sana.
Ay, hindi kasing ganda ng sayo.
Hindi, pareho lang naman lahat ng airplane. Akala nga ni Zach, marunong ako ng marami sa isang make me a good one, but not a Filipino one. Sabi ko, paano na yun? What ba?
Umulan na.
It's cold, yeah. We should close this.
Hey, you did it.
Don't do it. Your dad will be mad.
Bingo ka, kuya. Sinabihan
I saw it, Kuya. I was like, oh no!
Mom, I don't want that.
Oo naman talaga.
Oh, that's unfair. Mom, I have to hate her.
What?
This is the airplane went up the hater. Wait, Mom. I know what I want. Strawberry topping.
Strawberry topping? As Tito Dan.
Tito Dan.
You want strawberry topping, Tito Dan?
Strawberry. I want chocolate topping.
Chocolate, Tito Dan? Strawberry topping.
A little bit.
Chocolate, strawberry.
Kayo ha, wala kayong support sa diet ha.
Probably. I might try strawberry actually.
A strawberry.
Yeah.
Okay, so I strawberries.
Is that mine, Chona? That
Yes.
looks fantastic again.
Yeah.
Okay, just leave it, Baba.
Huh?
That's
Okay.
okay.
I get looked after very well.
Gumawa
What?
ng airplane
What?
for airplane kahapon. Tapos meron si Zach, si Kuya.
Ayan na yung kay Tito
Nandun
Dan.
na sa roof kasi lumabas siya kanina. Airplane siya. Nandun sa roof. Ang ganda ng aking airplane.
Ang ganda talaga ng airplane ni Tita Ray.
I think so.
Is this washed?
It's on the roof?
Yes.
Where's your airplane? On
Okay,
there.
Tito Dan. Ito na kay Dan, guys. Ayan.
That looks perfect. That's like an Instagram.
Baba.
Tita Ray, sa Instagram niya ang aking ano, kasi hindi ako mag... Ayan. May strawberry syrup siya.
Oo, because she can't go on Instagram then.
You're helping, Mami.
You did it. It went over the roof, did it?
Across the across.
Pumunta dun sa kabilang bahay, guys. How good is your airplane? You gotta take care of that.
You want baba?
I think your dad is here. Is he? Or not? Yeah. Okay.
Want pancake baba?
Mom.
So you, kuya?
Why don't you try to make it boys and you can learn?
Yeah, come in.
I feel much from this.
Sirain ko na lang tapos
Mom, how many pancakes can I have?
Two, kuya?
Because for two makes one big one.
Yeah.
I definitely do. I'm coming in here.
Okay. Make sure you do it like perfect.
And strawberry.
Hindi na matutulog. Kasi malayo si Tita Reyes.
Put it already. Still here. Okay, kasi tumulong dito. Paano kung ginawa?
Ah, yeah. Okay, sorry.
You can't fold it like many times. Just fold it. So you need to know where to go.
Ayan yan. Tingnan mo. Kailan ka ng... No, I got more here.
There's not much. Oh.
You need scissors.
Yeah. Careful.
Dad, you don't know how to hold scissors. I don't know how to hold scissors.
No. See, watch me. Or else your plate's gonna fail. So where are you now? So we're here, and then you cut it. Hold it, and then you go like that.
Okay.
And these two needs to meet. Yeah, that way. Good job. So these two ends need to meet. That way.
Oh,
It has to.
you bone my ear.
It's not a
Be straight. Okay, yours is not straight. I'll fix that later.
It's not.
I want you to follow me.
You like it, Mama?
Wait, I think Dad can get it, right?
Oh, sure. It's alright. That'll be buggy, dude.
Huh?
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
Mine's not teeth.
Is that yours? Okay.
Now here we go again. You're doing it and then.
Follow Tita Reyes socks.
So I need to. Oh, very funny.
Hindi siya instruction.
Are you making an Australian airplane or a Filipino one?
Oh, Australian. Okay. Ngayon.
Dad! Strawberry.
Strawberry.
Happy Baba.
Is it masarap, Holly?
We got frog day.
They don't like rain, wet one.
Don't worry, it won't get better than that. If it was, it'll let us better.
Ah, wow, Mama.
Hmm?
Mm-hmm.
We'll
Good?
leave that line to us. We'll get nice close to home. Exactly.
Good morning, people.
Here's what comes in here.
Finish.
Finish? Nakailan kong strawberries.
Ikaw mo flowers, ba?
No, finish.
Ikaw mo flowers.
You were in the shop. Grocery? Okay, I'll get more in the grocery.
Okay.
Ito yung breakfast namin. Yung tira namin to nung isang araw na inunon sa Bicol.
Yes.
Inununan daw to sa Bisita. Tsaka yan yung prito kagabi and rice. May pancake pang natira, oh.
It's not gonna go.
Pero kanin kami.
Hey, the other one.
Naglalaro na naman sila ng plain.
What's this
Si
one?
Holly kumakain ng pancake. Nauna yung strawberries. Naubos niya na yung
gentle.
strawberries.
It looks better if you're gentle.
That's right.
See?
See? See? Alright. Wala yung kay Tito Dan.
There's the channel. We can't even get him to turn around to get through it.
Thank you very much.
If you do, just sucking up all this weed. And at the end of the breakwater, it'd be up to here on.
Tama na, thank you.
They send that to the government. Or they send it to
Tama.
they have to. But you can't get in.
Kami naman ngayon,
Well, so
guys.
spend all the money.
What is it?
Tuna. Tuna din yan, di ba?
What is it?
Doing all the marinas and
Siya.
like,
Ano ba yung
that
tries
one down
kiniti?
further where they're gonna build all that thing for
Marami
the
pa.
beach?
Hindi naman yun nakakaano.
Hindi
Put the
mapait.
swimming pool in and everything's there.
Gamitin mo na yung tumbler na puti.
Spoon for that.
What is it?
1 teaspoon. For what? I wasn't even looking.
This pool,
Where did it go?
What is that
Why would they be able to go?
I don't know.
Yeah. I bet they don't understand.
Nawala na naman yung plane niya.
They even come down.
I didn't even look. I mean, I didn't even look.
No.
And gone to the council.
You gotta watch it.
Ano kayo?
Oi! Is it that one?
Maybe local feeding line.
Oh, it's not that one.
Well, that's
Yeah.
like
Si Liru. Ay, ang ito Dan pala yan.
Mala.
Sabi yung si
Ito
Liru.
ganito?
Tapos lagyan mo lang ng tubig. Masarap din yan. Pero ako naghahani pa rin ako dyan. Pero ikaw.
Tapos punuin ko lang siya.
Ay, hindi puno naman na sobrang puno. Depende sa'yo.
Ganyan.
Or more. Tapos kapag naubos na yung tubig, tapos gusto mo pa uminom,
Pwede ko pa siyang
pwede mo siyang dagdagan pa ng tubig pa.
when you get fish.
Ano ba? Yan,
Mga
kapag
pwede asa-asa ito.
Then might be doing it. It'll be big pot like 2 o'clock.
Can I borrow that, please? Ito lang yung pancake na tapunan.
Lagyan ko.
Start going in and stir it up. You gotta come in.
Sabi niya kanina, ayaw niya.
Yung pancake?
Is there like a minister for fisheries or something?
Yeah.
There is.
I don't think so. I don't do nothing at all. Push a pan. That's it. Then the ground around the ear. Yeah, I don't think about that.
Friday ba ako nag-tea? Or Saturday?
Kahapon. Sunday?
No, nung column tea. Saturday night.
Saturday. So, every other night yun. So, ano na naman ikaw? Hala, bu? Ngayon? Mamaya.
Alin yung column tea?
Oo.
Uy guys,
Saturday eh.
yung column tea na pinatry sa akin ni Race nung Saturday. Yes. Ito, can I may have it later?
Outside.
What day we not? Ay,
No.
big or big? Too big.
Just this
Mom's
side of
small?
Kingston.
Like this?
Just this side, this way, between Kingston Road.
Ang big kasi ng pagkatak na sa race di ay.
Ano ba yung sinasabi ko? Pinatry ako ni Race nito nung column tea nung Saturday. Tapos kahapon, ng tanghali, as in, gumawa ako ng, ilang beses yung tatlo? Tatlo, tapos kanina madaling araw-apat.
Ano naman?
Isang beses lang ako kumain, uminom. Tapos ayun, pinatry niya sa akin itong skinny.
Skinny tea. Hindi yan magpapago. Ano
Hindi ito magpapagaw. Pang slim lang to.
Skinny ka.
Tapos mag-order ako, tapos binigyan niya ako nito. Oh. Bigyan niya na raw ito sa aking tumbler.
Kasi i-order mo, walang tumbler yun.
Mas mahal kasi yung
Oo.
may tumbler. Tapos siya, marami na siyang ganito daw. So, thank you, Ray. Kain na kami, guys.
Kain tayo. Kain tayo, guys.
All in here. Just getting no flow.
Nasaan yung maliit na sakyan? Bumabagsak na.
Nawala niya. Eh, dito lang siya nagaganon.
Like this is yours.
Kanina pa siya hinahanap sa atin. Paano naman natin malalahasin yun? Oh? Pangit pala yung ano niya.
Let's eat it an airplane. Ayan, ano siya? Ayan, magdi-dessert na kami yung leche flan Simple Race. Nakita niyo ba ito kagabi, guys? Kita niyo,
guys.
Panoorin niyo yung gawa niya. Oh, ayan, guys. Oh, kasi sa akin, baka 3 months niyo pa ito mapanood.
Na-upload mo na. Uy, yun sa'yo. Di ba, sekreto ng leche flan sa'yo ba yun? Sa'yo?
I mean, pero I mean, yung vlog, vlog na to, ano pa to?
Sabihin nila, inulit mo na naman.
Inulit ko na naman.
Hindi yan nagsashower sa bahay. Pagkatatlong beses.
Dito kasi isang araw lang siya, once a day lang siya
Kaya
nag-shower.
naman baka oy, bill ng tubig mo.
Wala kami.
Ay, wala kayo?
Kasi ano kami, makita mo yung tank?
Ah, talaga?
Yan, kaya may dalawa kami water tank, rain water
As
tank.
in?
Kaya pag walang kuryente, wala rin kaming wala kaming tubig.
Kasi hindi
Oo,
gumagana.
kasi ano siya.
Mabayad kami ng tubig. Meron din kaming tank.
Hindi
Just for
wag, hindi wag.
emergency. Pero,
Sa amin dalawa talagang malaki.
alam mo, grabe.
Yan ang panligo. Kaya nga sabi niya, hindi pa umuulan. Mauubos na. We're talking about our water tank, Han.
Why are you talking about water tanks, babe?
Because Dad go shower like 3 times a day, and then Ray said,
He's joking about the water bill. Yeah.
I said, yeah, Kanye, you're unreal.
What?
Nothing.
She said you don't have any bills.
With the,
No.
Yeah.
No, we've got a ball.
And
We've got a
then
ball.
pumping, shower,
toilet, nah.
shower. Or shower, how about shower?
Just toilets and washing.
Ah, okay.
Oh, that one is
Those
water.
are all rainwater tank
Oh, yeah.
and shower.
But you don't have any water bill? Oh.
No. And then if we don't have power, we don't have water at all.
No.
No, wala kaming tubig there.
Yeah, that's fine. I'll take that.
Uta, ikaw, wala ka. Walang ano ba? Ihi ka.
Tapos, alam nyo namang ano.
There's nowhere to put the tank to go out.
Kasi you don't have a space.
I think we do.
You have a little one.
Yeah.
It's alright for you, it's
Yeah, enough for us. Pero nagbabayad naman kami ng tubig.
Because they pay water bills.
I know, so you do in the bay.
Is that what we're gonna do there?
In Port Mac, you pay.
How about that shed?
So how did he set it up? Just, it came with the house? When you got it? Okay.
Even me farm, when I was at the farm, I didn't pay water, so I had a bore. The
Yeah.
bore
May malit din na mag-pump.
drilled down to the water,
Yeah.
free water.
That's great.
Yeah, i-vlog natin si Jan. Gumawa siya ng plane kasi yung plane ni Race ang ganda talaga ng lipat. Tapos yan, may tutorial siyang pinanood sa Facebook ata YouTube.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
You have to go outside. Ah, no, it's heavy, Han. I think it's heavy. I think it's heavy. It's alright. Han, you have to go outside.
Try to throw it under. Wait, I'm covering it. Wait.
Ayan o, dyan niya kinapi.
Wait, come on, Mike. Give me.
Kita niya kay Dan. Inas niya si Tito Dan yung mag-draw dyan sa kanyang plane.
Yeah, it's a bird.
Look.
What a pelican.
A
pelican?
Yeah.
Zach.
Maghihiwalay na sila today. You're gonna be separated, Zach. With Tito Dan today.
We'll see you in 2 weeks'
In,
time.
yeah, 2 weeks. You know where Tito is going? We're going to Perth.
To go watch football.
Oh.
Okay.
Is that Tita Ray's plane?
No.
Whose plane is that?
Mine.
Ah, you made that one?
Yeah.
Oh, that's why it's not flying. Joking. Joking.
Hey.
Sorry na, that's nice. Yung pangalawa niyang gawa, ibang design kasi yung isa hindi masyado nag-work.
Airplane.
Yeah, another one. Different style, Zachary.
Whoa, that's gonna be good.
It's okay. It's okay, better than the other one. Yes, it's flying,
I
Han.
reckon she flies.
Binigyan ako ni Riz ng colon tea kasi nag-work talaga siya sa akin. Tapos ito, skinny tea and
Tumbler.
Tumbler. Diba ako na talaga.
These guys as well. You've been awesome. I appreciate that as well.
Anytime.
It was awesome.
Oh, you're welcome.
Out in the kitchen.
Whatever, you didn't even do anything
It'll be
here.
my last as
Oh, no, there's
well.
nothing.
Can you come
See you in 2 weeks.
2 weeks, yes.
See you again, Papa.
Come staple.
Okay, say see you to Tito Riz and Tito Dan.
Yeah, all right, put them down 5 seconds.
That's right, because they're going.
I need to help you.
Bye.
Ako rin ito magdala.
Come there.
Saan tayo? Dito na tayo sa
You're
front.
going to Adelaide.
I show you
14 sleeps.
13 sleeps, you're gonna...
When are we going to Adelaide next week?
Kayo naman, pupunta naman talaga kayo.
Are we going to Adelaide?
Oo nga pala. Most of it, yes. Wow. Uy, hindi siya malamig masyado. No?
Ganito ako.
Baba, see you to Tita Ray. Oh, love na Tita Ray. See you, Tita Ray.
I guess it's nice now.
Bye, guys. Go say bye, guys. Say see ya. Did you say see you to Tito Dan? Go say see you, Tito. High five na, Tito Dan. Tito Dan, Tito Dan.
Fist bump.
High five. Oh, peace. Knuckles na Tito Dan. Knuckles.
Ow.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you, Manay.
Welcome. See you in 2 weeks.
Oo nga. Thank you so much.
Do you want us to take one of the kids with us?
Yeah,
Oh, hi, Tito
Eeny,
Ray.
meeny, miny,
take the whole through.
Take that through.
Okay, Tito.
Where's my house?
Zachary, hurry up, Zachary.
And the belly. See you, kids.
Say see you.
Good.
No worries.
Bye.
Come back again.
Come back again.
See you
Yes.
again very soon.
Holly, say bye-bye
Yeah,
now.
now we're just on floor. I will.
It does now, so I took stifle out.
Ano yan? Computer niya yan, Dad?
Hi, that's your water.
Jasmine
Jasmine,
De La Cruz.
Tubig,
Jocelyn
Jocelyn,
Valdez.
Valdez,
Ivy
Ivy,
Sikat.
Sika,
Jeneline
Jalinin,
Kabangunay.
Uwina,
Jeneline
Jalinin,
Ferreira.
Rivera. Tennis. Bye.
I have to fix daw to. Oh, madudurog na naman. Ay, isang anim na ganito ba, oh. Wait, Papa. Ayan, oh, anim na ganito. Tapos 2 piraso yung laman nito, oh.